Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of past paper for mathematics and computer science of OE level. Today we shall discuss paper 6 probability and statistics session 2 by number 2018. In this paper 6 probability and statistics variant 6 to October number 2018. Question number 7 is the part A. The time x hours for which students use a games machine in any given day has a normal distribution with mean 3.24 hours and standard deviation 0.96 hours. Part A, on how many days of the year 365 would you expect a randomly chosen student to use a game machine for less than 4 hours? So in part A, for the solution, first of all we shall find out the probability for the randomly chosen 4 hour time. Given data is mu is equal to 3.24 as given in the question statement and sigma is 0.96 hours. Let x be the function of the normal distribution. We know that the formula for the normal distribution is mu sigma square. According to the given condition, the hours is less than 4 as given in the question statement. So we shall normalize this value p of x minus mu over sigma equal to 4 minus mu over sigma by putting the value of mu and sigma by standardizing. After simplification, we get p of z less than 0.79, and from the distribution table, the value of phi of 0.792 is equal to 0.78565 by using the normal distribution table. As there are 365 days in a year, so we shall multiply it by 365 days because we want to calculate the 4 hours from a whole year. So the probability is 287. For the part B, find the value of k such that p of x greater than k equal to 0.2. Now we shall find out the value of the k. According to the given condition, p of x greater than k equal to 0.2. By standardizing the given equation, we get p of x minus mu over sigma greater than k minus mu over sigma equal to 0.2. After simplification, from the formula of the distribution, we know that when we have p of z greater than k minus 3.24 over 0.98, we shall subtract it from 1. So 1 minus 5 of k minus 3.24 over 0.96 equal to 0.2. After simplification, we get 5 of k minus 3.24 over 0.96 equal to 0.8. By taking the inverse, now again from the distribution table, now we shall calculate the 5 minus 0.8 in the reverse method. You can find this method in my previous video, that how we shall calculate the 5 inverse from the distribution table. After simplification, we get k equal to 4.05. For the part second, find the probability that the number of hours for which a randomly chosen student uses a game machine in a day is within 1.5 standard deviation of the mean. Now we shall find out the probability that the number of hours is between having standard deviation between 1.5. So according to the condition of the question, the standard deviation between 1.5. So now we shall find the probability for within 1.5 standard deviation. Means p of mu minus 1.5 sigma less than x, x less than mu plus 1.5 sigma according to the condition of the question. So by standardizing the above inequality and after simplification, we get p of minus 1.5 less than z, z less than 1.5. So by using the formula of the probability distribution, we have 5 1.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. After simplification, we get 0.866. For the part B, the variable y is normally distributed with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, where 4 sigma equal to 3 mu and mu not equal to 0. Find the probability that the randomly chosen value of y is positive. So in the part B, now we shall calculate the value. In the part B, according to the given condition, randomly chosen value of y is positive. So P of y greater than 0. Now we shall convert into the standardized value. By converting the standardized value, we get P of z greater than minus mu over sigma. According to the given condition, 4 sigma equal to 3 mu, mu over sigma equal to 4 by 3. By putting the value of mu over sigma in the above inequality, we get P of z greater than minus 4 over 3. After simplification, we get P of z greater than minus 1.333. By the distribution, we know that in case of greater inequality, we subtract it from 1. So 1 minus 5 or minus 1.333. After simplification, we get probability is equal to 0.90. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.